Hello children, so welcome back once again, and before proceeding to the lesson further, I'd like to tell you a story about a girl whose name was Anjali. When she was born deaf. Now what is deaf? A person who can't hear, he is deaf. And that's why his or her world in which he or she is living is totally a quiet world. No sound, nothing. The person does not know what a sound is. Any type of sound may be in front of that person. He will not know that something is playing, some music is playing, some blast is going on, or somebody is speaking. Nothing. He or she only can see the movement of lips, only somebody has pressed the button. These things only that person will know, because he or she is unable to hear. So Anjali was born deaf. She cannot hear the noise, the sounds, or people talking. She does not know what it is like to hear, but she knows what it is like to be deaf. It is quiet everywhere. When she uses her hearing aid, the vibrations of the loud sound disturb her. She quickly turns off her hearing aid. Now, in order to see to understand what a hearing aid is, I will take you to the pictures just now. But listen about Anjali, what type of situation she is in. She cannot hear anything, and she is being given a hearing aid, but when she puts it on, then that sounds, only some sound she can hear, that she is unable to bear that sound, and she puts her hearing aid off. So I will show you the pictures just now. So coming to the screen, see all of you, look here. Living in a quiet world. You see, this is the hearing aid an old lady is having inside her ear, and this helps her to hear something. Maybe it has been prescribed by the doctor, and doctor has told her to wear the hearing aid, and then only she will be able to hear. Those who are born deaf, for them it becomes difficult to get things. They have to go and undergo an operation and all, and then only they will be able to hear something. See, this man is also putting the hearing aid, this part, inside his ear, and this is how he will be able to hear something. And there is volume button also in that. You can raise the volume, you can reduce the volume. So you can see this hearing aid. I wanted to show you what is hearing aid. That's why I brought you to this. This is the machine, the hearing aid. This part goes inside the ear. This stays out. And this is the on and off button. And this is the volume button, maximum, minimum, like how we have on this remote and all, and everywhere in the in our mobiles and all. Same way, this is also having a maximum and minimum sound control. So such type of people, they are unable to speak, and because they can't speak, they can't hear, so their life becomes fully quiet. Now, for some such people, some languages are taught. These are the sign language. Only we can do these signs through actions. Like you see A, B, C, D till we can see the actions with for the A, B, C, D is given over here. A, B, C, D, E, all different actions. Only these people will be able to understand this language, their world. When we send them to the school, to those handicapped schools, then there they are taught this sign language. So these are the symbols, the signs through which they are able to understand, to read and write, and even anybody will be able to tell them something, then through action they are able to understand this. These are the actions which are done, and all the alphabets are having different types of sign with the fingers in the hand and fingers. You see sometimes some words are also expressed: angry, love, sad, all gone. Such type of words are also expressed to some signs. These people only learn up and those who are living in their family, their family members also, they learn up so that they can communicate with them properly. Same thing, but pictures are a little different. Somewhere the clarity is there, somewhere the clarity is not there. So that's why I have brought all these pictures for you. And this shows that these sign languages help the deaf people to understand things properly. And then I will just quickly explain to you that what all problems these deaf people they face, and how such type of language was created for them. So hearing impaired means those children who are deaf. They are taught the sign language. This language is organized properly, systematic it is. These signs are also called mime or gestures. These action, the way we do with our fingers, these are called gestures. And the different expression what we give with our eyes, with our lips, and all such facial expression, all this is called mime. So instead of using speech, talking, this language is taught to such type of children or people. They go to these special schools and there they learn up these sign languages. So it is common among the people, all the people who cannot speak a common language like how we are speaking English or Hindi. This is a common language. When they can't speak this language, so they are taught to use the sign language. And the diagrams that you saw, what I showed you, all those diagrams have hand movements with using finger spellings. Those things are spelled in different ways. You must have seen sometimes even in the news channel also. The news comes separately for the deaf and dumb. They can't hear, they can't speak, but only they can see. So that's why for them all the finger expressions are taught to them, and they learn up those things and they are able to understand the sign language. So every movement of the fingers represents an alphabet. Follow a letter or an alphabet. They are used together with gestures, actions, different types of actions, the language, that body language, the facial language, all these things are taught to them. And some specific words are also used with gestures, which I showed you just now. Loud, angry, all such type of words are some special words which these people, the deaf and dumb people, can able to speak, can be able to tell something. So I'll just wait for a moment and come back again to the lesson.